floor is yours.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning at this QUALICHeCK webinar. So my name is Peter Wouters. I'm coordinator of the QUALICHeCK project. Very brief introduction about, let's say, this webinar and the overall context. I assume that most of you know it, but so QUALICHeCK is basically focusing on two issues. That's on the one hand, the whole context of EPC compliance. So are the EPCs reliable documents, and what can be done to check the compliance, and if there are problems, how to enforce better compliance. That's one issue. And the other issue is the quality of the work, and what are mechanisms to come to better quality of the work. There are some interaction between the two aspects, but to a large extent they are individual ones. The workshop today, the webinar today is focusing on airtightness, and in particular the issue of quality of the works. Just for your information, within QUALICHeCK, we have a whole range of activities which might be interesting for you, and you find these informations all on the website, so QUALICHeCK.platform.eu. So, as this webinar, there are several other webinars that you find, let's say, the outcomes and the recordings of the webinars on the website. We are also producing a series of called fact sheets, so relatively condensed documents, 4 to 10, 12 pages, whereby specific topics are covered. And there are already a few fact sheets which you can find on the webinar dealing with airtightness. Then also we have a total of 4 what we call focused workshops. One workshop was already held, was last March in Leuven, Sweden, on the topic of ventilation and airtightness. And if you are interested in this workshop, and also if you would like to download the presentations, go to the website, and under the section of workshops, you can find all the presentations. We have more workshops planned. For example, on March 9 and 10, we will have in Athens a 2-day workshop on the topic of sustainable summer comfort technologies. Also, information about this workshop you will find on the website, and participation is free of charge. And then I think another major activity to mention are our conferences. So we have a total of 4 conferences which are all scheduled in Brussels. The third conference will take place on May 10, so in about 4 months from now. Also here you find the information on the website. So if you're interested in, please visit our website. So that's very briefly as introduction. You have all seen the program, so we have 4 presentations, and in between, so we have time for questions and answers, and also at the end. There are some small changes due to the fact that Clarisse Mees is ill, so she will be replaced by Xavier Loncour, and also the first 2 presentations are changed in order, but for the rest I think it is a very interesting program. So I hope you really enjoy this webinar, that you will also attend future events, and of course that you also visit the website for more information. And I give now the floor to Alexander with respect to some practical information about the session. Thank you.